Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's video I will do for you that look, which is a beautiful, purple, full glam transformation for you, my friends, especially if you are beginners. I have to tell you that all my looks are wearable, easy to do it, easy to wear during all the day. I'm trying to make you understand the techniques on how you can do a soft glam, a full glam, all the types of the looks, and especially for you beginners are my videos, and for all the people of course. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows with my eyebrow styler 11 medium brown, and this is it. And then I have sculpted them up with my NYX Bear With Me concealer. With the same concealer I have prepared my lid, and I have set up my lid with my Kylie Girl 2 Color Powder Cake. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look today, my friends, I will use my For Me Only Moonlight Mermaid palette, and this is it. And I'm gonna take this on the outer corner, which is a very nice light purple, like the color of lavender, and I will apply it on the whole lid with that fluffy big brush for the lid and for the whole eye. Big brush. I'm applying the whole shadow onto all and the crease and the lid. Today I will do for you a very nice, a very full glam, flawless full glam transformation for you, my friend, and especially if you are a beginner, it will be very helpful for you to do that look. I'm applying all the colors as we have told, and then I'm taking from the same palette with another brush by Eyebrow 104. This is it, a little shorter, a little thinner than the other. I'll take that color, which is a very nice shimmery brown, chocolate brown, a little shimmery, to apply that on the whole lid over the light purple. This color gives much more depth into the eye. Beautiful color. Of course, we continue with another color, which is this, a light, very light silver blue. But first, to apply that color on the inner part of the lid, I will do a soft cut crease, a half cut crease. So, using Wet n Wild concealer brush, flat brush, my concealer, the concealer you have to apply on your bottom eye area, on your lid, the same concealer, don't take, taking some product on the brush, starting from the inner part of the lid, the inner corner, and cutting the crease and applying on the half lid, because I don't want an total crease, I want just a half cut crease. Apply the product as you see. You only need your concealer brush, and this is it, excuse me, and your concealer, the concealer you use. Sometimes you can use a lid base, anything you want, but if you have a concealer, don't spend more money, use your concealer. Then over that, I'll have to apply some powder with that type of brush. I'm applying some powder onto the concealer before I apply the color that I always need. On that look you can apply also in the pink color, but I choose that light blue silver, I have to say. And taking the light blue color, and applying on the clean area. This is the way we do our cut crease. Applying the whole product. Of course, continue with my Wet n Wild highlighting powder Blossom Glow to apply some product onto the bottom area of the brow. On this point of the brow, we apply some highlighter, and I tuned that with an iced pink. Just a few coffee while I work. I'm going to do my other eye off camera and coming back, friends. My lids are ready, and now in this look I will wear the classic black liner, although you can leave it as it is, but I will use my Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Matte, the classic black liner I always use. This type of liner for you beginners is the most easy way to apply your eyeliner, especially if you are at the beginning of your career. So I'm going to apply this and coming back. My eyeliner is ready, and now I'm ready to move on to the false lashes. In today's video I will use these lashes, which are long but thin. For the first, always I will use my lash curler and I will apply mascara on the upper lashes, and then I will wear the lashes, the false lashes. As you see, leave it for some seconds, apply your lash curler. I'm applying my Maybelline Curl Bounce Mascara. Just a few coats, not very much mascara. And now I'm ready to wear my lashes. Going to wear them off camera, friends, and coming back. My lashes are ready, and now I'm moving on to the rest of the face. Continuing, Maybelline Fit Me Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer. Applying a moisturizing primer on the whole face. If you are an oily person, choose a more mattifying primer, as I have told to you. And before the whole makeup I'm gonna do, I have done the whole previous skincare. Of course. I will use in this case my NYX Born to Glow in the shade Buff 10. And my kabuki brush, as I always do. I'm applying the product first with my kabuki brush and then continuing with my wet beauty blender. I will continue and use and some Pure Finish Foundation Natural Sun for normal to dry skin. This is a very moisturizing foundation. I will mix it with my NYX Born to Glow. Of course, continuing with my NYX Bear With Me concealer. Applying my concealer for you beginners into the inner lid of the eye, onto the outer corner, not directly bottom the center of the eye area, because it's gonna cause you wrinkles and very harsh result. Some products on the mustache area, on the chin area, 2 lines near the mouth as a mini lift, and some products, some dots on the nose. And of course, continuing to apply the product with my wet beauty blender. Continuing with my liquid bronzer by Mona Rev Bronze Skin. Applying the liquid product onto the cheekbones, onto the forehead, near beside the nose, on the lips, and on the chin area. And starting to apply that with this kabuki triangle brush. And if you want, continue with your beauty blender, anything you want. MUA Liquid Cream Blush Watermelon. This is a very dark blush, so I'll take a little quantity of that onto this type of brush, just a few of that. It is a little hard, so applying it directly onto the cheeks and on the nose. I will use my beauty blender to soften the product. It's a little intense, but don't worry, later with the powder it will be okay for you. And of course, I need a liquid highlighter, which is gonna be my Monrev Stellar liquid highlighter. I'm gonna apply that with my beauty blender. It is a very nice champagne highlighter onto the cheeks and some product onto the nose. As you see, onto the nose. On the lips and some on the temples. Don't need much, it is enough. Of course, it is time to set up the whole face, taking our transparent loose powder. To leave some product, I will do, excuse me, a soft bake. I leave some product onto the bottom eye area, under the contouring area, as you see, onto the chin, and onto the temples. I leave some product. I will do a soft bake for today. I will leave it until I will apply the powder product. Taking my MUA Bronze Perfection, which is my powder bronzer. I apply this onto the same point of the face I have applied the liquid product. Scarlet highlighter. A very nice color like the strawberry. Onto the cheeks, of course. And Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and this onto the cheeks. And some product on the nose. I will go to finish with my under eye area, in which I'm gonna apply the same colors I have applied onto the upper area, starting from the light purple, over that I will apply the brown, this brown shimmery, into the waterline. I'll have my black liner, as I always do. And of course, on the inner lid, I will have my eyed highlighter, the highlighter that I have applied on that point of the brow. Going to dust off the excess of the powder, because we don't need much. And of course, one coat of mascara on the bottom lashes. The last step are our lips. Sandy Beauty Stereoscopic Lip Liner Eyeliner. This is a very nice purple liner that I'm gonna use today for my lips. And of course, my Cyan lipstick Berry Passion number 12. A very nice, classic purple, deep purple color. And of course, the last step is my I Heart Revolution fixing spray. It is a basic step, my friends, don't leave it, because it is the product, the finished product, that is gonna make your makeup last during many hours in the day. Well, my friends, this is my complete finished look for you for today. This is my recommendation for you for today. It is a flawless, full glam look, beginner friendly look, 0-200 glam transformation. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!